Morning to dear student. Now we start our new topic in standard 10th science. We have completed this question answer of page number 6. Now our next topic, types of chemical reactions. In this first we will discuss about the combination reaction. Now activity, take a beaker. In this beaker, take a calcium oxide it is known as lime, and add water in this beaker. So, calcium oxide reacts with water vigorously and slaked lime is produced. Slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide, and during this process a large amount of heat is released. So, calcium oxide, that is CaO, it is known as quick lime. When it reacts with the water vigorously, that is water in liquid form, and calcium oxide, that is it is in a solid form. So, a slaked lime, that is CaOH twice is produced, and during this reaction heat is also produced. So, this reaction is known as combination. Why it is combination reaction? In a reaction, two or more substances combine to form a single product. When in a reaction, two or more substances combine to form a single product, then it is known as combination reaction. Another example, this calcium hydroxide is known as slaked lime. Slaked lime or calcium hydroxide. Another example is burning of coal. Burning of coal. That is burning of coal. Coal, that is carbon. It is in solid form. It burns in presence of oxygen to form carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide, it is in a gaseous form. Now both the equations are balanced equations. See that calcium is 1, here 1 calcium, oxygen 1 and 2, so 2 oxygen, hydrogen are 2 here, so here are also 2 hydrogen. Here in this also 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen. So both these equations are balanced equation. So here also, when two substances combine to form a single product, so it is called combination reaction. Also another is formation of water. Formation of water, that is hydrogen gas and oxygen gas combine to form a water. Water is in a liquid form. Now here in the reactant there are 2 hydrogen, in product there are 2 hydrogen. Here so hydrogen atoms are same, but here in reactant 2 oxygen, in product 1 oxygen. So we have to balanced oxygen atom here. So 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen. But here hydrogen atoms are 2 2 are 4. So here also we have to put 2. So 2 2 are 4 hydrogen. So hydrogen and oxygen are same on both the side. So equation is balanced. So now what is the combination reaction? Two or more substances combine to form a single product, It is known as combination reaction.